Welcome to AssistMyTeam software. If you are planning to preserve or archive your PDF documents for the long term or to meet regulatory and legal compliance for official record keeping, converting your documents to PDF archive format, or in short, PDF-A, becomes mandatory. With the AssistMyTeam PDF to PDF-A converter app, converting your regular PDF documents into ISO standard PDF-A format is as easy and simple as clicking a button. All you need to do is choose your regular PDF files or folders from your computer or network drive and add them to the queue list. To proceed with the conversion of your chosen PDF files to PDF-A format, click Convert to PDF-A button. And then choose a PDF-A conformance format that is appropriate for your requirement. Depending on the number of files in the queue list, this conversion process may take some time. Let us look at one of the converted PDF-A documents and compare it with the regular PDF, side by side. Having your documents in PDF-A with the same visual appearance as your regular PDF guarantees complete, accurate, and unchanged document records for decades. The Converter app supports the following PDF-A conformance levels. This concludes this video demonstration. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@assistmyteam.com.